Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Black V70 Max, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Sorry, that was a misclick, System and Update. Now let's tap on Date and Time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers here, this one also, and now we can freely tap on Date and change the date just by swiping. It's totally up to you. First month, day and year. Confirm it with OK. It will be of course immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, change it and confirm it. Here, the time zone, just tap on it and tap on the region, and will be transferred to the full list of available regions from you can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. Let's go back, and we can also change the time format. So currently we've got the 12-hour format, or we can use the 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher, just by turning it on. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to the previous settings, so use the automatic time and the format, for example, just by tapping on the switcher here, on those switchers here, and the switcher at the top. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.